What's up, YouTube? It's the Buffalo Perch Killer. I'm out here with my man, the Bass Assassin. Y'all can check out his channel. Is Ryan Graham Outdoors. We out here at one of my childhood fishing spots. This is where I learned how to fish at. This is the Small Boat Harbor in Buffalo, New York. This is one of the best harbors that they got. They stopped us from fishing back here for years, but I guess our man Byron Brown put a lot of money into the waterfront. He got it all set up for us. So now anywhere you access the water from, let's say the Grand Island Bridge going towards Niagara Falls, all the way to Lockport, it's all brand new. They rebuilt this stuff for us. They put in new boat launches. The boat launches used to be over there. Now they over here. I'm gonna watch my bobber while I'm talking to y'all. But we set up out here. We're gonna see what we can do. It's real nice. Hopefully I catch me some perch, since I'm the Perch Killer. Mr. Graham over there, the Bass Assassin. Y'all know what he's looking for. He's looking for bass. I'm trying to get some perch. If I catch me a bass, I'm gonna keep it because we're above the Peace Bridge. You can keep one before bass season, as long as you're above the Peace Bridge. What's that all about? I really don't know. But you can keep one. Oh yeah, oh, look at my bobber trying to go under. Look at that, that's a fish too. Oh my goodness, did y'all see it? That was a fish, dude. Yep. And I got me a new camera. I got a little action camera. My wife gave it to me for an early Father's Day present. Since I was complaining about never having a camera, man, she got me a little camera. We're gonna try this out. I hope the sound is good. I'm gonna go right back at that same fish. Now y'all can really see how I catch them. Let's see, we're in the same spot. Let's see if he take it under this time. I got a double hook this time. If he take it under, that's gonna be a good day because we just started. Let's see what he do. We need some perch in the bucket. Let's have a perch dinner. That might be a little bit too close in. Let's see. Let me get out of his way. Try this one more time. Matter of fact, I ain't scared on that one fish. I'm gonna go over here. I catch a fish wherever I go. Oh yeah, he got a worm. I got a minnow. We're gonna see what's going on. I gotta catch something to redeem myself from all them sheephead I caught yesterday. Man, I caught 10, 12 sheephead yesterday. It's northerns in this water too. Matter of fact, there's a little bit of everything. Man, it's perfect out here. All we need now is the fish to start biting. That bobber right there, boy, it's sensitive. They hit that, it's going under. There's fish out here. We just gotta find them. Hopefully it's the right time too, because I'm already out here. Uh-oh. I'm gonna put one through the tail. I gotta make it happen. I gotta get a shout out to my mother. She wanted me to come back to work. I'll be there when we get done fishing. I promise. You said, if you coming back today, you didn't say what time. Well, I didn't say what time, so today is today. As long as I get there today, I'm good. I didn't lie. I'm just going fishing in between. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, is that a dip? That minnow shows hooked through the tail. Oh, he walking it. Or the minnow walking it, one of the two. That might be that minnow. Watch me catch a smallmouth. Oh, so they dip it, look. Oh, he laid it. That's that minnow swimming. So he laid that bobber down. He's swimming. Well, he's swimming in some dangerous water, though, I'll tell you that much. Like he's running for his life. See, I told you that's a light bobber, man. That minnow doing all of that. And I need to get my boat out of here. There's got to be a fish in that water that want that minnow. Shouldn't last out there that long. Alright, y'all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this video, but if I hook a fish, I'm gonna cut it back on now that I got this whistling, because I don't know how much time I got on this camera. So I'm gonna cut it now, but if I do set a fish, I'm gonna cut it back on.